good morning, and welcome. I am Lori, your wannabe weather girl, and today is your
Northern Illinois weather report.
for Friday, August 1st. That's right, folks, it's August. We are currently sitting at 69 degrees, expecting a high of 77. It will be mostly sunny today. The air quality index is an issue. It is 151, which is in the very unhealthy range. People with respiratory issues, the elderly, and young children should take caution and not go outside for prolonged periods. The humidity is not an issue today. It is only at 68% right now. So, all of these things, as you know, can change throughout the day. But for now, it's a gorgeous day with the temperatures cooling down. The sun is shining, and it's Friday. What is this air quality index issue we're having here in Northern Illinois? The wildfires from Canada. We're receiving all the smoke from those. That's why we're having hazy days and horrible air quality index. This is Lori, your wannabe weather girl, signing off. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Until next time. Bye.